Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our September Whiff box because mine is finally here. I have not opened this, but I have seen sneak peeks and I'm very excited to dig into this. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so this month is a special Whiff box month because not only is this the first box of the fall winter season, but this includes a full-size warmer, a brand new full-size warmer, which I love everything about it. I'll talk more about it whenever we actually get to it. But this is a big box. So the Scentsy Whiff box is a $35 box. This is like a mystery, a discount, however kind of box you want to think about it. But Scentsy comes out with a new Whiff box every month. So every month we have a new theme with a new arrangement of products and fragrances, sometimes samples, sometimes exclusives inside the Whiff box, all for that $35 price. And if you are a Scentsy Club member, which is kind of like our customer rewards program, you can actually add this to your club subscription, take an advantage of that extra 10% off, or if you have unlocked a half price credit with your Scentsy Club, you can get this box half price, making it only $17.50. And I actually linked down below a pre-filled Scentsy Club cart of 10 of my favorite fall waxes, so that if you haven't started your own Scentsy Club yet, or if you need to update yours with some fresh fall waxes, click the link down below, add these to your cart, remove the ones that you don't want. But if you have that $60 in your cart, you unlock a half price credit that you can actually redeem on this Whiff box, making it only $17.50. And this is a retail value of $47, I think it was last time I did the math. So the box every month is a big discount versus the full retail value. But that's it about the box. Let's go ahead and open her up. So on the inside, we actually don't have the pretty logo this month because they had to make special boxes big enough to hold everything in the September box. So that they actually sent out like a news article to consultants letting us know that the boxes are not like this is, I'm sure they're not gonna like remove the pretty logo and everything in the boxes. They just needed one specifically for this box since it is a really big box, since we have a warmer inside. So on the very top, we actually have the little flyer that says, "We love beautifully scented spaces," giving you a little hint of what is inside. It says, "Discover fragrances with hints of baked pumpkin and warm spices in your September Whiff box, and pair them with a brand new warmer. This new mod Scentsy warmer is all about function and simplicity. Browse our fall winter 2023 catalog and harvest collection while you bask in beautifully scented spaces. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag Scentsy Whiff box at Scentsy on Facebook and Instagram." So first up, we're just gonna go ahead and talk about the warmer because I actually haven't had one of these in my hands yet. So this is a brand new warmer in the fall winter catalog. If you missed it, the fall winter season is officially here in Scentsy land. It launched September 1st, and these mod warmers are brand new. And we actually have 3 different colors. We have a black, a sage, which is definitely turquoise, not sage, and we also have this taupe. And this is a full-size warmer that's a tabletop warmer, only for $25. So it's the price of a mini warmer. This is what makes me excited. It's the price of a mini warmer, but it's a tabletop warmer that can hold more than 2 cubes. Guys, oh my gosh, I love it. This is so, first off, there's a new clicker. Have you ever seen this before in Scentsy land? Because I haven't. That's new. New clicker, and here it is. So it's actually not made of ceramic or glass. I don't know what this would be. Let me look it up. So it just says plastic. It actually feels like the material that like the wall fans are made out of. So not like a heavy warmer, but again, it is a tabletop warmer. It is a good size. I would say can fit, the picture online, it has 4 Scentsy cubes. So you can fit enough wax in here, or the same amount of wax as you can, like a medium to large Scentsy warmer. This one, it sits 4.5 inches tall. It is an element warmer, and it has 120 volts, 60 watts. I always get asked about the wattage of these element warmers. But guys, this would be great for offices. This would be great for dorm rooms. This would be awesome to gift. The Whiff box in general would be awesome to gift if you know somebody who has been thinking about joining Scentsy. Maybe they like come to your home and they see your Scentsy warmers, or they smell your Scentsy car bars and stuff like that. Like maybe they love it, they just haven't like actually placed their first order yet. This Whiff box would be a great gift for them. And like I said, through Scentsy Club, you can get it only 17 bucks, which is cheaper than the freaking warmer that you get inside, because it would make a great gift because it comes with a warmer, so you don't have to worry about them not having a wax warmer. And it also comes with waxes and some unplugged items as well. So the waxes that you actually get one from the Harvest collection, which is actually my #1 favorite from the Harvest collection. This is White Pumpkin and Driftwood. Absolutely freaking incredible. I feel like this mix of pumpkin and woods is like on trend for this fall season. And then we actually get one that is Forever Fall. And this is also, so you get 2 waxes from the Harvest collection. So Forever Fall also in the Harvest, and you actually get a full brochure in the Whiff box. So let's see, I'm gonna read these descriptions for you. But you get the full brochure of the Harvest collection, which is now available in the Whiff box, making this, again, the perfect gift. But the waxes, you get Forever Fall, which is baked pumpkin, cinnamon stick, and brown sugar. And White Pumpkin and Driftwood, which is white pumpkin, driftwood, white cardamom, and warm solar amber. Great performers. I love these both. I have been warming them over the last month and a half, and they're so, so good. But you also get some unplugged items. So you get Autumn Road Trip and a scent pack. So these scent packs are like the little bean bags that you can literally stick almost anywhere if you need some fragrance. So these would be great for backpacks, lockers at school. People put these in their cars. They either like hang them on like one of their little, the little gear things, you know what I mean? The steering wheel, I don't know what it's called, the little round, I don't know. You can stick it under your car. Personally, I prefer car bars or scent circles to hang like on the mirror whenever it comes to car fragrance. But you can literally stick these anywhere, including buddies. Technically, these are made for buddies. So it's just like a little bean bag. Autumn Road Trip is a great fall fruity fragrance. It has pumpkin and apple, a little bit of woods in there. Very, very nice. And then you get a scent circle in Fall Feelin. So this would be a great thing to throw up in your car. This is a brand new release. This one is a sister fragrance to First Day of Fall, which is also back in the catalog. And if you need to place your order and you haven't gotten a brand new catalog yet, the Whiff box includes it. So the Whiff box includes the catalog and the Harvest collection brochure. So you are ready to sit down, warm your new waxes, make out your wish list while you're going through the catalog, get ready to host your next party, maybe get ready to finally sign up and get money back on your own purchases as a consultant. If you have a Scentsy Club, you would make a great consultant because you can literally be making money back on your club that you're already buying. Instead of that commission going to your consultant, it could be going to you. Get the early access. We currently have early access to the Dumbo collection that's coming in October, I believe. We have early access to the breast cancer awareness waxes, the holiday collection waxes, and on Monday, consultants are going to get early access to the holiday collection bricks, which are shaped as Christmas trees, and I cannot wait to have them. But if you get this Whiff box and you fall in love, you can actually sign up in September as a consultant and get all that early access, the commissions back in your pocket, all those perks for only $40 in September only. And you actually get a warmer. In that $40 kit, you actually get a warmer that is in the Harvest collection, and it's beautiful. But last but not least, you get a wax sample in this Whiff box. So this is actually the wax sample of the upcoming scent of the month. This is Pumpkin Cashmere, which is the October 2023 scent of the month. This is actually one of my favorite things from the Whiff boxes, and not including all the discounts that you get with it. But I love the fact that you can get this early. You can literally get this before consultants can even order their like consultant scent and warmer of the month kits. So you get this deluxe sample, which equals out to about 3 Scentsy bar cubes. So you could literally put this whole thing in your brand new mod warmer. You could cut it in half, put half in a mini warmer, half in another mini warmer, however you want to do it. But this is pumpkin cashmere, and I've been super excited because I love woods, cashmere, and I also love pumpkin and apple. I'm really not that hard to please whenever it comes to fragrances. I mainly dislike, oh my gosh, I smell it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let me see if I already have the scent notes up. Pumpkin cashmere is surround yourself with the captivating combination of warm cinnamon, bountiful pumpkin, and cozy cashmere wood. It's a spice fragrance. Oh my gosh, I love it. I cannot wait to get my kit in. So consultants also are able to get a scent and warmer of the month kit in if we want it. It's actually another big discounted bundle that we can get, that we get early access to every single month. So I have ordered mine for October with the warmer and more of these waxes. So I cannot wait to warm this. It's pumpkin, but it's also cashmere. And it mixed together beautifully because it has a good hint of woods in it. I love it. And I feel like it also has like, I guess it's the warm cinnamon, but it's giving me vanilla vibes. Just saying. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is the September Whiff box. Like I said, you can do a regular order from my website for only $35, and this is a $47 value. The warmer is $25. You get 2 waxes, which are 12 combined. You get a scent pack, which is 7, and a scent circle, which is 3, making that a $45 retail value. Plus you get a deluxe sample, which is about 3 regular bar cubes. You get the Harvest Collection brochure. You get the full fall winter catalog. This Whiff box is just full of fall magic. And don't forget, if you want to take advantage of our customer rewards program, aka Scentsy Club, I have made a pre-filled club cart down below with my top 10 fall waxes of this season. You can go to that link, add them to your cart. That automatically unlocks the half price credit that you can use on this Whiff box, getting it for only $17.50. When you're doing this, just make sure you click that little box at the very top that says process my first order immediately, and so that it'll be the September one. And then once that order comes in, you can actually go back into your account on my website, check it out, edit your Scentsy Club account, remove those ones that maybe you don't like that much. Keep the ones that you fall in love with, because as long as you keep them in there, if they retire or sell out, like, you're still going to get them because they get locked into your club. That's a part of our rewards program, is locking those favorite waxes into your club account. You can edit the frequency of how often you want your order. You can cancel it altogether if you don't want to get another one. There's no fees or anything for canceling it at all. Keep it and do it monthly if you want the Whiff box every month. You can literally create your own club cart, have it shipped to you whenever you want, edit it whenever you want, and the perk of locking in your favorite limited edition waxes. And once they're gone, as long as you still have it in your club, you're gonna continue to get it forever, because that's the perk of being a Scentsy Club member. But yeah, that's it. I would love to hear your opinions down below, and let me know down in the comments, what do you hope to see in the October Whiff box? So October is like the official spooky season of the year because we have Halloween, but October 1st is also the launch of our holiday collection, since we do have to launch so early to compete with other businesses, because people think that you have to put your fall and winter collections out in May and June. I don't know. I get really salty about that, but then I understand on the business point, because you have to get the collections out there, but people aren't ready to actually shop for it yet. But then you have to shop for it, because if you don't shop for the stuff that you love, then it's going to be sold out. I get way too overwhelmed with this. But anyways, October 1st is going to be a really big day. So I don't know. Like, I don't know if they're going to put holiday stuff in it. I don't know if they're going to make it like a Halloween themed box and then wait for November to be holiday themed for the Whiff box? I don't know. Let me know your ideas down below. But thank you guys for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me for only $40 in September, and I will see you in the next one.